Tina is going to put 1-inch square tiles on the picture frame shown below. If the frame is 1 tile wide, how many 1-inch square tiles will she need? Would more 1-inch square tiles fit inside the frame or on the frame? Show how you know. So according to the directions, Tina is going to use 1-inch square tiles and she's going to put on the frame. So the frame is the actual grayed out area. That's what the frame of the picture is. So that's given. So if the frame is 1 tile wide, so now we're given the width of the tile, so let's mark that. So how wide is, this is how wide it is. So from here to here is 1-inch square tile. That's what there's, I'm sorry, it says 1 tile, but that is also 1 inch. How many 1-inch square tiles will she need? So before we answer those questions, let's pause the video and use the graph paper and actually draw the picture. Notice that on the inside, or the actual picture, says 4 inches and here says 7. So I would actually measure 7 squares so I could draw it. So pause the video, get the graph paper, and do accurate measurements. So I wanted to show you on my graph paper, I started drawing the inside, so 4 by 7, and then because they said on the outside is 1 tile and then it's 1 inch, so it will match. So I'm going like 1 tile on the side, on each side basically, so I could build my frame. So that also helps me say, oh yeah, it is. So go ahead and pause the video and finish the frame yourself. So now looking back to the question, so how many tiles would she need for the frame? So I could technically just right now count. I'm noticing, but again, also we had 4, so this will also, the blue one, let's see if I highlighted blue, that will be exactly 4 tiles on each side, right? And then the measurements given to me for the width, which I counted for the frame, is 7, so I would need 7 on top. Let's highlight it. So 2 groups of 7. So it looks like we're doing perimeter, right, of 1. And then of course I don't want to have a gap, so I need to be adding these. Let me see, I'll use green. So we need to add these numbers as well, unit tiles. So you could write an expression or you could count, but that will be the answer for letter A. So pause the video and finish letter A on your own. So in letter B, it states, would more 1-inch square tiles fit inside the frame or on the frame? So right now they're talking about the inside. So on the inside, I can see it's almost like the area, right? So how many would it go? Well, it's not just going to be one of them. So how many would go on the inside? So you could kind of answer that question and then explain how do you know. So finish that problem on your own.